guys, welcome back to the channel, and I'm so glad you guys are here. Today's video, we are going to be decluttering my kitchen from top to bottom, including the pantry. You guys, this is so much cleaning, decluttering, and organizing motivation. I'm going to be sharing some Konmari tips with you guys. I love the Konmari method. I have been utilizing that method for years. I have the book. If you haven't heard of Konmari, I will link the book down below. And also, if you guys are cleaning or decluttering with me today, please go ahead and tag me on Instagram so I can see you guys in action. I just love seeing your guys' faces and what you guys are doing in your homes. And if you are just chilling today, comment down below and say hi. And without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get started. So one of the things I like to do before I start decluttering a space in my home is making sure it's clean. I do not need any extra mess around me when I'm about to take out everything from a space, go through it. I really like to be able to concentrate on those pieces and figure out what I'm going to keep, give away, donate, all that stuff. So that's what I'm doing here. We're going to get this kitchen cleaned up, and then we're going to dive into the decluttering. So I did have some burn marks at the bottom of my Instant Pot, so I'm just using my Scour scrubber to scrub those out, and then I go in with my Scrub Daddy to finish the job. Alright, you guys, before we get started, I wanted to go around and show you what my cupboards looked like. They had so much clutter. They were dirty. Everything needed to be organized, and I need to go through everything and get rid of some things. That is just the truth. I am hoping that if you had a space in your house that you've been wanting to tackle and declutter through, I am praying that this is the video that's going to get you up and get you motivated to get that done.
Let the same old thoughts be my referee. I will be alright. Never could it bite, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off with you.
So the first space I'm going to tackle is this cupboard full of papers. So I am going to go ahead and categorize everything before I throw it away. So what I'm doing here is I'm deciding what papers need attention, such as bills and paperwork that needs to be filled out, things like that. Then I'm deciding any short-term papers like tax documents, warranties, those types of things. I'm also putting a pile where it's paper that I need to keep forever. So anything that has to do with contracts, mortgage paperwork, birth certificates, anything that has fallen down in this cupboard, I am going to put in these different piles and decide what needs to be tossed and what needs to be filed away. So in this cupboard is where we keep all of our fitness proteins, pre-workouts, all of that stuff. And what I'm doing here is taking everything out. I'm going to go ahead and look and see what is expired or get rid of any products that we just haven't used in like a year. If I don't love it and it doesn't spark joy for me, then I am going to get rid of it.
Change me, got the same old thoughts be my referee. never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. You make me wanna do better. I don't know why. You make me wanna do better. You make me wanna do better. I don't know why. I don't know why.
So what I do after I take everything out of the cupboards is I go ahead and go in with my Dyson vacuum and I just vacuum everything up, all the crumbs and dust, and then I'm going to go ahead and wipe all the cupboards with my Jaws kitchen cleaner. So I'll be doing this throughout the whole process. I just might not show me doing it for every single cupboard because I do want to speed this up so you guys can see the end result, because the end result of my kitchen is amazing. It just feels good to have everything reorganized and decluttered. So the next thing I like to do is go ahead and wipe down all of my organizers before I start organizing my products again.
Wanna make sure that you understand. You're the one who gives my life color. There is no one other. With your hand in mine, let me go by your side. Let me go by your side. I wanna stay in your sunlight. I wanna wake up with you by my side.
So what I'm doing here is just going ahead and wiping down some of Remy's products, anything that leaked a little bit, and cleaning inside of his little doggy box there where I keep all of his hygiene stuff and treats and things like that.
Without you, there is no tomorrow.
If you're new to my channel and you guys are enjoying this video, I would love to have you a part of my family here on YouTube. All you have to do is hit that subscribe button. It's completely free. Just make sure your post notifications are turned on so you don't miss one of my next videos. I've been told a lot that a lot of you guys are not seeing my new videos and you're not getting emailed. So make sure that you do have that notification that says all notifications, and that way you will get the notification when I do have another video out.
Wonder where you came from. You are special, yeah, you're special. Everything about you is so beautiful. I am all yours if you let me stay. You're the one who gives my life color. There is no another. With your hand in mine, let me go by your side. Let me go by your side. Without you, there is no tomorrow. We could be in for the best ride. Want this to last.
What we're doing is we are actually changing out all of our dishes this year to new dishes because we have a lot of old dishes with scratches and chips on them. So I've been doing it more budget friendly or wallet friendly, and I'm basically just buying a few pieces at a time. So I did pick up some new dishes from Target along with this steel riser to just kind of organize and separate some of our plates and bowls. So I will have the links for everything down below in case you want to check them out. We really do like these new plates and bowls. They're beautiful, they're affordable, and so far none of them have chipped.
We've been driving around, singing songs way too loud because we wanna. Picking up all our friends, fill up the car till it bends because we wanna. Yeah, we just wanna have fun. The trunk's full of wine. We're gonna stay up, have the time of our lives. The night is young, don't need anybody else. We came to party all night long, and we don't need no chaperone. We don't need nobody's attention, yeah, we just wanna dance on our own. We came to party all night long, and sing on to every song.
So I'm going to go ahead and clean my toaster and just some of my appliances that needed a deeper clean. So the next thing I'm doing here is going ahead and organizing my pots and pans, and I already have a couple of organizers for my pots and pans for the tops and the actual pans. Those really come in hand, you guys, in keeping your pots and pans organized. I just have to get everyone in the house on board with not just throwing stuff in there, but actually using the organizers. So I did get these from Amazon, and they were super affordable.
Going left, going right, doesn't matter tonight, just how we want it, we want it. Yeah, we just wanna have fun, the trunk's full of wine, we're gonna stay up, have the time of our lives. The night is young, don't need anybody else. We came to party all night long, and we don't need no chaperone.
All right, you guys, you know this is my favorite space in the house. I have all of my fun cleaning supplies in here. I do have more cleaning supplies upstairs and my laundry room, but this is the bulk of it. So I'm not going to show a deep, in-depth organization of this, only because I just included this in a recent video, which I will have linked down below. But I did get most of these organizers from Dollar Tree, Target, and Walmart.
Trying to get to you when you're on the low. Trying to get to you when it's on the line. Had enough, had enough, had enough. Trying to tell you that it's time to give it up. Trying to tell you that you're never gonna shine.
So in the Tupperware, I did have my little helper, and I love the fact that she was so excited to help out in this area. She really took the lead and just took charge on decluttering this Tupperware.
No matter how it hurts, you're gonna let it bleed. No matter how you feel.
So what I'm doing here is I went ahead and just paired up all of the lids and the meal prep containers. We have like several different kinds here. And then the other regular Tupperware, I'm just putting lids on each Tupperware so we can organize those and put those away. And then these things are what's gonna go in the trash. Just because they're like stained with soap residue and burn melted plastic. Also, some of these don't have lids, so we don't need them if they don't have lids so they can store stuff.
When you've had enough, when the crowd gets rough, gotta stand up straight, gonna rise like a champion. When your cloud goes dark, when you lose your heart, gotta stand up straight, gonna rise like a champion.
So now we're going to go ahead and go through the rest of the drawers in my kitchen. We're going to find what sparks joy, what we want to keep, and throw away the rest. So that is what I'm doing here. So let's get started.
Every change has a reason. Baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion
All right, you guys, so we are officially done decluttering, and I'm going to go ahead and give you guys a quick overview of all of the cabinets and inside my pantry. I am super pleased with the turnout, and I hope you guys stuck to the end to see how everything turned out. So as for our cups, I really tried to downsize and only keep the ones that spark joy. I did get rid of a lot of extra coffee mugs that we had and some like water bottles and things that we weren't using. All right, you guys, that is all I have for you today. I hope you got tons of motivation and inspiration. I hope some of my Konmari tips help you through your decluttering journey. And if you have any questions or comments, just leave those down below. I will see all of you guys in my next video. If you can give me a thumbs up, that always helps out my channel. I really appreciate it. I love you guys. Stay safe. Bye.